I welcome you to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to edit and customize section head. And what I'm talking about is if I grab a section now and I place a section here, if for instance I place a section here and I want to modify what I want to see here, I want to change what I want to see here, all I need to do is, let's make it show on this end. All I would do is I am going to go to family. This is family, and I'm going to click on this plus icon to expand it. And if I expand it, the next thing I'll look for is M section head or M section head field. Okay, this is it here. M dash section head field. So I am going to click on this and click edit, and it will now give me room to edit this. And that means I can change this and customize this to what I want. And if for instance I don't want it to show this number, so I'm going to remove this one, and I can also remove this line. I can remove this line, then move this figure inside. Okay, this is the one I want. And if I want to edit the label now, let me edit the label to something like A and click OK. Okay, then if for instance I want to, let's assume that the size is big, or I want to I want to reduce this cycle, simply select the cycle and go to scale and pick it from the center to the edge and drag it in a little bit. I am modifying it to my own taste. And this, let's try if we can select this fill. Okay, this is a fill. I can change the color of this fill, and if I want to do that, I'll select the fill, edit. I can make this one to be blue, click OK, click OK again. You can see the fill is now blue. And this one, I am going to change the font. I am going to look for a more thicker, let's say Arial Black will be thicker, and the size to something like 3 mm, and click apply, click OK. Yeah, that is it. Then I'm going to save it as, I'm going to give it my own name. You click on file, save as, family, and save the project. The project has been saved. Now this is the folder I want to save it into, and I will give it my own name. Let's say M section head dash Timothy. Okay, then the number of backup has to be 1, and click OK, click save. Now it is saved. Okay, now that it is saved, Let's load it into our project, and this is the project we want to load it into. Click OK, and here we go. Now it has not updated yet. To update it, you need to select this, click edit type, and on the section tag, click on this place and look for section head. Click on it. You will now see the name of the one we have just edited. You select this and click OK. Click apply, click OK again. Okay, so that is the one here. Then you can see the number, the alphabet is not showing here. The reason it's not showing is that this very section, which is section 1, this is the section we are talking about, section 1. This section has not been placed on the panel yet. That is why it is not showing on the floor plan. It's not showing on this place. So if I go to the sheet, let me compress this family, and let me compress this schedule. Okay, now I go to this sheet and go to section, drag it to the sheet. Now that I've dragged it into the sheet, let me move this one out. If you go to the floor plan now, you see that it is now indicating A. What if I want it to indicate C? If I want it to indicate C, all I need to do is go to the sheet and right click, rename it, add C to here, and click OK. You can see it's now C. If I want to name it to B, I rename it to B. I can decide to make this one BB, section BB, and click OK. You can see. So that is how you can edit this section line. You can customize it to any shape you want. You only need to do it in the family editor that I've just shown you. Okay, I hope you learned something from this video. If you do, make sure you give me a feedback. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye.